Hi and happy Monday. My name is Marin Steiner and I live in Hermosa Beach, California, where it's a rare and rainy day today. It's my fourth course with DOAN, with the previous ones being General Chemistry 1 and 2 and Anatomy. I've had really great experiences thus far and honestly pretty terrified to take organic chemistry from everything I read on the internet, so hope I'm not the only one, but I'm ready for the journey, and just like all of you, I think we'll try and best and support each other through this. I hear it's a bit less math involved than there was in General Chemistry 1 and 2, so hopefully that's also the case, as math isn't my strongest subject, and I definitely struggle with that the most in Gen Chem 1 and 2. This past year has been crazy for me, where I did a complete shift in my life, like many of you I'm sure have as well. I graduated with a degree in communications way back in 2004, and have been planning, building, and staffing medical centers for huge music festivals all over the world. And still occasionally work as an EMT during all this pandemic craziness. This was a career that I thought could survive anything, because really, why would people stop going to concerts? Well, here we are now with this pandemic, and I'm living that couch life here at home in Hermosa. It's easy to laugh now, obviously, that I've come to terms with everything, but I know everybody's not the same situation as I am. I'd been doing that for over a decade and was becoming pretty tired of all the travel even before this pandemic happened. So this was kind of a well-needed break, whether I wanted it or not. Waking up in a new city every morning was becoming tough, and I didn't know where I was some mornings, which was weird. I also became a huge advocate for drug education during all this. I lost several young people in very high-profile media grabbing attention, avoidable overdoses. PSA: if your friend isn't feeling well, just take them to medical or call 911. Don't put them to sleep because you think they'll sleep it off. These people who have to live with the memory of their dead friends. I can only imagine what they're going through, and obviously what the kids' parents are going through. So I became a big advocate to try and do a better job educating young people on how to avoid this happening. So I decided to go back to school in 2019 and applied to an MPH program with an emphasis in community health at Tulane University in New Orleans, and was accepted. I survived taking graduate level epidemiology during the summer, so hopeful that if I'm able to survive that, I can survive organic chemistry as well. So as part of my sort of do-it-yourself post-bac to knock out the prerequisites, I pretty much had to take everything all over again, as I either didn't take them the first time when I was in college, or it was so long ago that they wouldn't be accepted anymore. So besides taking courses here at DOAN, I've done courses at UCSD Extension, at my local community college as well. But so far, microbiology has been my favorite, but maybe I'll say organic chemistry. I don't know, maybe not. But I obviously have a lot of free time on my hands. Decided last summer to go back to school and do my science prerequisites. I think I'm going to apply to PA school. So here I am, ready to wrap up all these courses in June, and we'll be applying when the cycle opens up. Being an older student, some of these classes, it's a little bit strange, but I'm definitely a better student than when I was originally in college, because I actually care now. There's so many amazing resources out there that didn't exist when I was going through university, like YouTube. If I type in a subject of something I don't understand, I get 100 videos back. I'll break it down with whatever I'm trying to work towards. It's amazing, and I truly believe YouTube videos, and hopefully that will also help me get through organic chemistry, because I heard there's a lot of really good ones out of there. While life isn't the most exciting for me these days, I did get a dog back in October. Her name is Dr. Bailey. She's here on the couch working really hard. Hi, Dr. Bailey. She is my best friend, and I'm so happy to have her here. So looking forward to working with all of you this coming term. If anyone is doing GroupMe, I would love to join, and talk soon. Bye.